How to unlock blocked iPhone without passcode. First, if you see the iPhone unavailable or security lockout screen, try entering the passcode until the Forgot Passcode option appears and follow the on-screen steps to erase and reset your device using your Apple ID. This lets you wipe the phone without a computer if your device runs recent iOS. Next, if Find My iPhone is enabled, you can sign into iCloud and erase the device remotely, which removes the passcode but also deletes your data unless you have a backup to restore. If those options aren't available, put the iPhone into recovery mode and connect it to a Mac or PC running Finder or iTunes to download the matching firmware and restore the device. This fully erases the phone and lets you set it up again. Finally, MagFone iPhone Unlocker can remove all types of screen passcodes, Face ID and Touch ID, as well as 4-digit, 6-digit, numeric and alphanumeric codes on iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. To use it, follow the software's instructions to put your device into recovery mode. Let the program download the matching firmware. Then click Unlock to remove the passcode and regain access.